Good morning, everybody. I wanted to drop you all a video note in regards to the 1-2 journal assignment. I finished grading them this morning, and as some of you have already seen, the grades for this were not where we would hope that they would be. And I want to talk a little bit about why and what we're going to do to make it right. Okay. So, almost universally, we had the same issue with those of you who got a grade that you probably were hoping to do better than. And it isn't necessarily related to the content, although that's an element, but really it had to do with the omission of the utilization of any of the course references, specifically in this case, the link provided in the assignment prompt to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics website. Many of you were able to give me a great rundown on the job that you want to have, the job that you already know you want to have. And the point of this assignment and sort of this course overall is to make sure that we're expanding our horizons and getting a firm look at what's out there in the industry, what the numbers are, how to find that information, and then demonstrate that in the assignments that we're turning in. And so for those of you who did not either demonstrate that you did the reading, or you may have demonstrated that you did the reading but then did not include a reference to the reading, that really had a negative impact on your grade. Okay. I'm not usually a big fan of allowing resubmissions because honestly, going on wrong on one assignment is not the end of the world in any class. Okay. Uh, in this case, there's enough folks out there that I think we're pretty close. But if you miss a reference, you're already losing 20 points, right? So that puts you in a tough spot to get anything. And then in this particular assignment, as well as many of our journal entries, if you miss the reference, you're going to get pinged not just in the reference section, but also in the general area in which the rubric is asking us to show the tie-in between our existing knowledge and our reflections and the information that we've gained from the course readings. So if you missed that, it really lowered your grade. So what I want to do is open up the window to allow folks to resubmit this assignment up until, let's say, Wednesday, no, yeah, Wednesday the 18th. Okay, so what you can do up until Wednesday the 18th is go ahead, take another look at the assignment, make sure that you edit it or write a new one that includes reflections on the reading, and then add a reference. Then send me an email. And the reason I'm asking for an email is because Brightspace does not automatically notify me when a new submission is added to an assignment that's already been graded. Okay, so send me an email once you've done it. I'll take a look at it. I can't allow more than a B maximum for resubmissions overall because that's just not fair to the folks that were thorough the first time. But I also want to make sure that we're getting our course off to to a good start, and then I alleviate any concerns you might have on what this one early journal assignment might have on your overall grade, because I know that's stressful. Okay, if you have specific questions, please do email me. But again, our deadline for resubmissions for the 1-2 journal assignment will be Wednesday, March 18th by midnight. Okay. And you do need to send me an email on that date to let me know that you've resubmitted. If you have questions, you can always email me at s.matthews@sna2.edu, and I'll take a peek and get back to you. And if you have further questions or confusions, you can always let me know, and we can set up a phone call by appointment to walk through things. Okay. As far as the rest of the course goes, we're off to a great start. Our discussions have been robust and interesting, and I'll get other announcements about that moving forward. Hope you're doing well. Have a great day.